How to reset your password in Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can reset your password in Windows 11, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. So maybe you are on the sign-in screen of your Windows 11 laptop and now you want to log in but you forgot the pin or maybe the password over here, because as you can see it says incorrect pin here, right? So what do we do if we want to actually reset it? Well, to reset it, it's very simple. As long as you had your Microsoft account logged in on your Windows, you can actually reset it using that Microsoft account. And to do this, you want to make sure to just click this option where it says I forgot my pin, right? So just make sure to click on it, and then here you can see a pop-up where it asks you to simply enter the password of this Microsoft account here. So you want to make sure to simply go ahead and then enter its password. So let me also go ahead and then do that. Once you enter the password, what you need to do is just click the sign in button here, and if your details are correct, you can see it says me to verify your identity. So I'm just going to click on to verify my identity, and then I'm going to make sure to enter the email address of this new account, because I had my account linked with my Outlook, which is my other Gmail account. That is why it is showing me this option. So you want to make sure to also go ahead and then actually enter the email address. Once I enter the new email address, I can just click the send code button. It will send a verification code to this email. So I'm going to wait until I basically receive an email on my phone. So I have already received the code on my email address, and I'm just going to go ahead and then enter that code over here. And once I've entered the code, all I need to do is just click the verify option. Now that I have verified everything, you can see it says you should only reset your pin if you forgot it or stopped working. Now all you need to do is just click the continue option here. Then it's going to take you to the page where you can simply enter a new pin for your account. So right over here it says set up a new pin. Now you can go ahead and enter the new pin, confirm the new pin, click on OK. When you're done with this process, you can come back to Windows and then log in using the new pin over here. So this way you can go ahead and then actually reset your password on Windows 11. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.